We're going to be taking a look at the conditional operator, which is going to allow our program to make a few more decisions. And in this video, we're going to see how we can allow our output to make a decision as to which message it should be displaying on screen between a selection of two options. So we're going to go ahead and make a variable over here. And I'm going to make this the integer variable age. I'm going to assign this a value of 20. So I'm going to go ahead and make an output. So we know that system out print line. I'm inside the main method here. And rather than going right in and actually putting a bunch of text inside of quotation marks that I want to print out on screen, I'm going to go ahead and ask it a question. I'm going to go ahead and ask it the question, is age greater than or equal to 18? Now, where I'm in Canada, we have a age of 18 to buy alcohol, for example. So we're going to make an example for this. I think in the States, it's 21 to buy alcohol. I'm not too sure though. So for here, up here, it's 18. So I'm going to ask it a question. Is age greater than or equal to 18? Now, I'm not sure if we looked at greater than or equal to yet in this series, but whenever you're dealing with, whether or not it should be the equal sign first or the greater than symbol, just sound out in your head. Greater than or equal to. Which one comes first? Greater than comes first, and then it's equal to. Nobody says equal to or greater than. Those people are crazy freaks. So when it says greater than or equal to, think of it that way. So we have that. Greater than or equal to 18, and you're asking it a question, so you put the question mark. So you're going to ask, is age greater than or equal to 18? Because we don't know if we want to allow this person to buy alcohol from us or not. Now you're going to want to put your two messages that you're going to have inside of your output. You're going to put the first one right after the question mark, and you're going to go ahead and write whatever you want. Sure, you can buy this alcohol. And this is going to be your yes statement, right? This is happening if your condition over here is age greater than or equal to 18. If it is true, your first one over here is going to be the one that is going to be displayed, which means, okay, if all this is true, we'll go ahead and display this over here. Everything works out just fine. Now you're going to put a colon after you put the first statement, and now you're going to put your false statement, right? In the event that this is not true over here, this question that we asked our output, then we're going to display the second message. Get out of here, you twerp. Right, for the young kid who's trying to come in and buy alcohol using a fake mustache, or maybe even a real mustache. He just went through puberty much earlier, and he has that weird mustache, but he's still not getting any alcohol from us. So we have these two things over here, right? And I know we're kind of getting run off the screen here. Can I make this a little bit bigger? There we go, even better. So we have this right here. We see system out print line, and in here we have our question: is age, the variable age, greater than or equal to 18? We're asking it a question, so we put a question mark, and now we say the first message: if it is true, sure, you can buy this alcohol because you are greater than 18, you are older than 18, or 18 or older. And then we have a colon, and then we have the negative statement, which is get out of here, you twerp, you're not old enough to buy this alcohol. And now we have the end line over there. So we're going to take a look at exactly what this will happen if we go ahead and run this. We're going to see it's going to run in and it's going to say, okay, well, age is greater than or equal to 18. So we can select this first one over here with our conditional operator. Sure, you can buy this alcohol. But all of a sudden, I go into the fountain of youth and now I'm only 2 years old and I still want to buy this alcohol. Get out of here, you twerp. There's no alcohol for 2-year-olds. That's just a bad idea. So if you have any questions regarding the conditional operator, please leave them in the comments below and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. And I hope you guys are enjoying this series, and I'll see you guys in the next video.